Rainy drops are falling down, splashing softly on the town. Pitter-patter, tap away, let's have fun on this rainy day. Little baby wears boots so bright, jumping in puddles with pure delight. Laugh and giggle, dance and sway, let's have fun on this rainy day. Clouds are floating way up high, rainbow colors fill the sky. Birds are singing, come and play, let's have fun on this rainy day. Sun peeks out and smiles wide, friends come running side by side. Wave hello and shout hooray, let's have fun on this rainy day. Rainy day, come and play, bring your puddles out today. Jump and splash and laugh away, happy friends on a rainy day. Thanks for watching, friends, today. We had fun and learned to play. Like and subscribe for more fun too. Rhymeland Wonders is waiting for you.